Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on Samsung Galaxy A03. And to do this, first we'll need to find all of the speakers on this device, and the first one is on the top right here. It's a phone call speaker, which usually doesn't work on normal music playing, like we're gonna check. Next is main speaker right here on the bottom, and that's basically all of them. Now let's try playing some music, and we're gonna cover each of the speakers with our fingers, and if the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming only from one source, that's a mono speaker. Let's try it out. So clearly sound is coming only from a bottom speaker, and that would mean this phone doesn't have a stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.